finally get to show you guys the dent puller. What's up, guys? Back again with another video. This time it's a rear door repair on a Buick Encore. I forgot my GoPro at home, so I had to record with my phone, so this is not the point of view perspective that I usually have. But anyways, I started off by cleaning the door panel to bare metal, and on today's video we're going to use the dent puller. We can get the ground on there. Once I got my ground, it was actually time to start repairing the panel. And on this one, I began by using the slide hammer attachment that it has. It also has a lever where you can apply counter opposite force and it'll give you a lever to pull the dent out, but it was not necessary on this one because I would have actually ended up damaging the panel instead of actually repairing it some more. So we went with the traditional just slide and pull, the slide hammer. And you just see me running my hand across looking for high and low spots to pull them out and hammer them back in. Later on I'm going to go more in depth on how to use the actual machine. I just wasn't able to here because, like I told you, I didn't have my GoPro, and that's usually how I get my point of view perspective, so you guys can see a lot better and see what's actually going on. Here you can kind of tell, but it's kind of far away at the same time. But I'm just pulling the dent as like I told you guys. As you can see, I would have left the raw audio file behind, but there's actually a lot of background noise going on. You can hear the compressor going off, grinders going off, all kinds of things going off in the background. So I'm trying to save your guys' ears, and that's why I do voiceovers most of the time. But like I said, you're just seeing me here work the metal, work the high, the low spots, and getting it to a nice, the closest to I can to a smooth surface. Once all of this is done, we'll see what happens next. After I get it all nice and pulled out, it's time to apply our body filler. Over here I'm mixing my hardener with my filler so it can actually become a solid sandable material. And I'm just using my spreader to mix it all together. Then I make sure to lay it nice and even. Makes it way easier to sand. I do the bottom and the top. Then I picked up my orbital sander with some 80 grit on it, and I began to cut down the excess material. I didn't record me doing all the hand sanding, but you get the point. And then I put some tape in case I went over. Put some guide coat so we can see my line.
Don't play with my money, don't play with my mind, don't play with my fucking emotions. I'm waiting on trial.